Yeah, and this is the result. There's a lot of gravel on, so when it rains, it goes in between. A little bit big rocks there. That's gonna go away. So I'm quite happy. Almost 2 days. 1.5. So this has to settle. It's hard when you have stone coming up on the ground. But if you want to build a house, build it on stone. Yeah, I'm quite happy.